everybody, it's me Nico, back with another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. This is a special one. We actually, our father gave this as a gift to our mother. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And, well, this is our main attraction. Oh, look at that. The box is so thin because, well, it doesn't have a charger inside of it. But still, this thin fashion fits the Z Fold. It's even the box. Just looking at the box. How do you feel about this? Just look at the box.
Just normal. It's just a box. What else is there? I mean, it's just a box.
It's not just a box. It's the Galaxy Z Fold 3. You can see the Z here.
Half silver, half white.
No, it's like
Half gray, half white.
yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Like it's like half because well the thing can fold. That's why it's half. They put a lot of thought into making this box. So well you can see that this shows that this is Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Okay, and then this guy has 256 gigabytes of RAM.
46, isn't it 46?
256 gigabytes of RAM. It got 12 gigabytes of RAM. Oh, no, 256 gigabytes of storage. 12 gigabytes of RAM. And then, the color we got was Phantom Silver.
Just open it already.
Okay, I will, alright? Oh, yeah.
What is this already embossed?
Yeah, okay. You don't have to say that. Okay, this is a clickbait, alright? I'm just gonna get it out. This is a clickbait. I've already unboxed this. I've already
like second time, so we've already used this for like 2 days.
We just wanted to show this, alright? It's nothing else. Nothing special. So, as you can see, the box comes like this. Originally comes like this. It has a plastic wrap. But we got rid of it. We got rid of it. Now, we're just gonna, if I could, of course, yeah. Alright. So here's the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. That's a mouthful, by the way. Like, who thought of this name? So long. Just make it like Samsung Fold. Enough. That's enough, right? Oh yeah, this is compact. Like this is a thick boy if you're
thick boy.
Yeah, this is a thick boy if you're holding it like this.
I mean, you can kill people with it by beating it.
Nah, man. This costs a lot. And if you unfold it,
it's like a mini tablet.
It is a mini tablet. But look at this, so thin. But of course, if you just
not thinner than you.
Look, she's here to review this, by the way, not here to roast me. I don't know why she's trying to roast me. So well, as I was saying, this thing is great. And yeah, we've already done the
password.
Yeah, we've already done the setup. We've already done everything.
We've already transferred. I mean, it's not new anymore.
It is still new. It's been only like, what, 2 days? So
2 days, but it's still already used.
Still new, for me, at least. So, by the way...
I'm not going to show the functions and all that in there.
Of course I will. But you gotta wait to the end of the video to see that. I'm not letting you leave. First, we also got, our...
charging dock,
actually.
Yeah,
same thing, but hey, charging dock. So let's just get rid of this, then yeah, get this out. I mean, not bad, huh? It is a dock. It's not wireless charging, so there's like a USB port here, Type C, right there. As you can see, can you see? Yeah, I think you can see it, right? Everyone can see it. Yeah. So well, that
how it works
doesn't actually come with a cable. So back to the phone, as you can see. But I'm like not letting you leave. If you want to see the full, you gotta see the full video to know everything about this phone. So back to the phone. In the box, we got this, and then also this little paper. Samsung Care Plus. They don't care about nothing. They don't care to get on money. I'm not believing in that word. But still, yeah, they don't care.
They do care.
They just want money. And then in here, we got more paperwork. Just throw that out of the way, and then we got USB Type C to Type C cable. Cool. They doesn't come with a freaking charging brick, so you gotta
So
get
we
your
have to buy it?
own. You gotta get your own charging brick. Like they just want more money, you know.
Please.
I mean, it's just that they're trying to get more money from us, you know. They're doing nothing. So yeah. Oh, so wait for the phone, all right? I'll show you the phone later. Now, I actually bought the watch wireless charger. We're gonna unbox this too, cause why not? Like we have it, so we will. Shut up and listen. So yeah, we got this little guy,
Charger pad
a charging pad,
is a wireless
Charging.
charger pad.
charging pad. By the
It's
way.
a charger pad.
Okay, shut up. So in the box, it also comes with. Finally, thank you, Samsung. It comes with a charging brick and a cable. Thank you. This is rare in 2022. If you know what I'm trying to say, you gotta appreciate when companies actually deliver you these. It's really
no
rare.
one really deliver anymore.
So yeah, let's get that out of the way. We'll actually test that later in the video, so stay tuned. I'm not letting you leave. So for the phone, as you can see, let me just
I mean, we can open it.
the display. Look at the display. Wait, let me
It's
get
like
it
a
to
butterfly,
max.
but with a painted butterfly.
Let me get it to max brightness. 120 hertz. If you know what I'm trying to say. Look at this.
Yeah,
So
it's not 60 hertz, so you can use it.
this is so bright that even the reflections are coming on. You can see the reflection of the phone in the phone.
It's not.
It's cool. Cool, it's real. Oh, if you guys are wondering about the speaker, let me just test the speaker for you real quick. Let's go head up to YouTube. Not bad, but it could have been better. You know what I'm trying to say? Not bad, not the best either. Okay,
It's not even a song yet.
okay. I can't show you the rest. Sorry. I mean, of course, about the
And
speaker.
about the camera.
The camera. Oh, the camera features are great, my guy. And wait, let me go to
Over
camera.
there is a camera.
Thank you. Well, as you can see, this.
Okay,
Wait, let me
it's a white.
wait. Let me take a selfie camera from the inside display. Let me tell you this: the inside display camera sucks. It is hidden under the display, so I know why it sucks, but it sucks really bad. If you are planning on taking a selfie, don't take it with this. Just take it with this camera, the main camera, or the camera that comes right here at the back. You know,
The
front
back
display.
camera, but also the front camera.
The front display camera. Take it with that. That's the greatest selfie camera. So well, let's. This is a test. Let's go.
No, just test it with the controller.
Okay. This camera sucks, like I said, and then we got the front selfie camera. That outer display. Oh, there's a lot of camera in this guy.
Like 3? No, 6.
6.
Yeah, 6.
I don't know.
Technically 6.
I don't care. I don't know. This, however, is great. This looks
It's
great.
Like,
Wait.
how are you gonna say which one is this?
All right, and then
I'm gonna show you. The
We're
before
gonna-
and after.
take a picture
You already took it.
with the
display.
main camera, the main cameras. So yeah, all right, for the main camera, we're just gonna take a picture of the dock that we just unboxed real quick. Pretty nice, okay. And then we can also take a selfie with
Back
the main,
camera.
with the main camera.
It's
what
a
you
back
call-
camera.
It's what
I mean, it's a back camera.
you call it the main camera.
It's a back camera.
Alright, so you go like this. You can see that. It's like a mirror. Wait, where's the button? Oh, here's the button. Alright,
Why are you holding your lips?
and now we're gonna show you those photos. I think we've shown you the photo. So I just wanted to show you guys about this really cool feature that I found. Where is it again?
There.
You can actually use. There are lots of features on this. You can go to the settings, and then there are like more features available for you. There are like director's view and stuff like that. So
It's not there.
where?
It's more.
Oh yeah, as you can see, look at that. They got pro mode, pro
You
video,
can't see it. Show it clear.
pro mode, pro video, all those stuff. You know, I'm not gonna read all those out. You can read it by yourself, can't you?
No, they can.
They can't. Okay, first we got pro mode, and then we got pro video, and then we got single tape. We got night. Oh yeah, we gotta
Night
test
mode.
out the night mode. Close it, by the way.
Why don't you close it,
Okay, close the light sesame. That's what I call it.
guys?
Wait, let me show you this. Boom. This does not look like it was taken from a night, does it? No, it's like what, morning or something? But that's, look at the capability on this. So cool. That was taken in a dark room with no light, and they were able to. So cool, bruh. So cool.
I mean, you can use it when you're going night out or something.
Yeah, and it's super useful.
It's not.
Alright, and then, yeah, you've already done setting it up, right? Okay, I'm back now. I got the watch, and let's try out the wireless charging and the charging dock. As you can see, wait, let me... You guys can see that. That's the wireless charging. That's the charging dock. Pretty cool. So, yeah, we're gonna be testing this guy first. Let's just put it on there. There's like a red LED light. I don't know if you can see it. And boom, 83% charged. All you have to do is put it on there.
But you have to try.
Like, so cool, you know? When you got back from work, all you gotta do is put your watch on it and it'll auto charge. Wireless charging is cool, by the way. I mean, I know you guys know that, but still, it's cool. And now, we got the charging dock. All you gotta do is put the phone like this. 35%. 1 hour 9 minutes until full. As you can see, you can use your phone like this, like a dock. It's not wireless charging though, but still pretty cool. If you ask me, look at that. You could just put your phone on there. You have to make sure that the USB Type-C port is actually connected, because, well, this isn't wireless charging, but still, it's cool. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I really do. So, now, goodbye. See you guys in the next one. If I ever make one, that is.